Good morning, all of you. Okay, very nice to see all the energetic faces and voices. Okay, so I hope you know what subject we are here for. Strategic? So I'll be handling this subject called strategic management, which is for 50 marks in your CA intermediate. Even before we go into the subject, I will give a short introduction about myself because you'll be seeing my face for the next 4 days, by which your portions also will be getting over. It's one of the most easiest and shortest subject in your CA intermediate. Okay. So as most of you may be knowing from the schedule at least, my name is Pranam Shivatsan. I'm a CA finalist. I got 616 out of 800 in my CA inter. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. So I got 616 with exemptions in all 8 papers and distinction in CA Foundation. I think you guys are doing this on purpose so that I don't talk at all, correct? Okay. Appreciation. Understood. Thanks. Okay. So this is my educational background. Right now, I've completed 1.5 years of my articleship and around 1 year of my industrial training. I'm doing industrial training in a listed company in the finance side where I take care of business finance, which is inventory, gross margins, and also corporate development where I work closely with the CEO and MD of the company. Apart from this, I also love taking classes. I take classes for CA Intermediate Strategic Management, CMA Intermediate and CMA Final, and CS Executive. Apart from these, whatever I just said, I also head the finance part of an educational startup, and also I've been offered a role in as a finance head for a startup which is being incorporated in US. It's still not done, but it is in work in progress. So this is a short introduction about myself. Now let's keep this aside. This is immaterial for you. Coming to the subject, okay? This is the easiest subject in your entire CA intermediate. I can guarantee you that 60% of whatever we are going to study, you would have already studied it. Because most of you would be from, half the crowd would be from CBSE, half the crowd would be from State Board, right? How many of you are from CBSE? Alright, there was some subject called business studies, right? This strategic management is your business studies plus some additional portions. Understood? And for those who are from State Board, raise your hands. Okay. State Board students, I think there's a subject called commerce. This is your commerce plus that 40% new syllabus. Understood? See, personally, I'll give you an advice. This is not because it's my subject or anything. If you are smart, you will capitalize on this subject. Because, as you may be knowing, this subject is 50 marks. The balance 50 marks is? Which do you think will be more difficult? No doubt FM is more difficult, right? But still, why has the institute placed this subject in your syllabus, even though 60% of it is already known to you? Because the institute knows that FM is a little difficult. So passing FM alone for 100 marks is a little difficult for everybody. So what they have done, they have still retained this subject in your CA Inter so that you have to be a little smart enough to use this subject to boost your total marks. Understood? I can guarantee if for the next 4 days, if you pay attention to whatever I'm teaching, a minimum of 40 marks just from SM, using which you can easily pass. Understood? Okay. How many of you are from direct entry route? So I assume all else are from foundation, right? Foundation students, how many of you raise your hands? So you all must be knowing the importance of 1 mark also in CA exams, yes or no? 1 mark can change your result, yes or no? How many of you agree? Can 1 mark change your result, yes or no? I am giving you 40 marks here. You said that. I have seen people from last bench shouting like this. First time I'm seeing somebody. Okay, so see, listen, all of you. If you think this is going to be a typical boring theory lecture, you're wrong. Okay, this session, for the next 4 days, it's going to be very interactive, easy to understand and remember. At the same time, we're going to have a lot of fun, obviously. Yes or no? What is the point of studying when there's no fun in it? Yes or no? Okay. So what I request from you is for the next 4 days, whenever I'm teaching, please pay attention. That's the only thing which I'm asking. I'm guaranteeing you minimum of 40 marks in this subject alone, using which you can pass your last paper. But I'm not saying don't skip FM. Please study FM also. I'm telling use this subject to pass the 6th paper easily. Understood? All of you understood? Yes, shall we start? Yes, one more important thing, like how different religions have their own books. For example, Hinduism has, Christians have, Muslims have. Similarly, CA students have institute study material. Yes or no? So what I have done is, I have taken your institute study material and I have prepared a material from that. I will be presenting that and teaching. Okay, it has been derived from an institute study material, so nothing to worry about. Understood? So one thing is, please don't write anything. Few teachers, what they do, they just come, sit, make you write, over, go home and study. That's not the way. Understood, all of you? Yes, even before the class starts, please don't sleep. All of you, are you listening? Yes, okay. Whenever I ask you to write, only then you write. Don't waste time by writing notes unless and until I ask you to write the notes. Okay? Yes, shall we start? Yes, so, in the previous syllabus, the old syllabus, there were totally 8 chapters in strategic management. They have removed 3 chapters and made it even more easier by having only 5 chapters. So earlier, at least if you told saying, sir, strategic management was dry, I understand. Now only 5 chapters are there. In 4 days, I'll be finishing it. So no excuses saying, sir, it's boring, nothing. If you feel it's boring or if I'm going too fast or slow, please feel free to tell me saying I'm not understanding. Okay? If anybody wants me to repeat in Tamil, I will repeat in Tamil also. Okay? For your information, I'm a Tamilian only. Basically from Chennai, but for the past 3 years, I've been out of Chennai. So born and brought up here. So if anybody wants to shout at me in Tamil, please be careful. I know Tamil. Okay? Shall we start? So, who called? Okay, before we go into the subject, which is always there, let us first get to know each other. How many of you know everybody in the class? How long has it been since the batch started? So you must be having a fair idea of who's who, right? At least girls, boys, that you know, right? So can anybody raise your hands and introduce yourself? Anybody? Kishore, who's Kishore? Stand up and introduce yourself. Shh, all of you, please. Mic on.
Hello.
Yeah.
Sir, myself Kishore, sir.
Don't talk to me, talk to them. All of you, please.
Myself Kishore, and I'm from Foundation Route. So basically, like I know to compose music. I love composing music. I'm a playback singer and a lyricist.
Clap for him, all of you. So, one session guaranteed, he will come and sing here for all of us. Very good.
And in future, I'm planning to be a director. Planning to become a director.
Director of?
Director.
Cinema?
Yeah, sir.
Oh, very good. Clap for him. Very good, very good. Until.
Sir, yes, sir. I've finished my 2 scripts, sir. I have 2 scripts, and probably after completing my CA, I would. After finishing my CA, I would take those 2 scripts as film, sir. So,
what genre films are there?
sir, one is a love story, and another
Hey,
one.
clap no. Clap. Guys, clap no for him. Other one?
Sir, the other one is brutal psychopath story, sir.
Hey, this psychopath story,
Yes, sir.
you wrote it separately. It's not because of CA you wrote that, right? then fine. Very good. Clap for him, all of you. Anybody else? Anybody else? Somebody from the back bench, yes.
Hero, sir.
Shriram. You're Shriram?
Vidyut, sir.
Vinod. Vidyut. Who all are part of that gang? Only him, huh?
Vishnu, Badri, Giri, Gokulwas.
Huh?
3 rows, sir.
Totally how many people? No, totally how many people in your gang you tell?
12 people, sir.
12. Okay, so all 12 of them will dance in the next break. Introduce yourself. Introduce yourself.
So I'm foundation route, sir.
Okay.
And I'm doing my BCom in Loyola College, sir.
Okay, very good. Apart from that, anything else?
District level badminton player, sir.
Oh, very good. Clap for him. Somebody from this row. Violet color shirt, specs, t-shirt, yeah, t-shirt.
Check.
Stand up. Shh. Please.
Myself Chandru from
Chandru.
Direct Entry.
Full name?
Chandru.
Okay, direct entry. What else do you do?
Nothing.
You want to act as a hero? Love script is there. You can take him.
ஹீரோயின் 4 பேரும் தான் நடிக்கிறேன்.
Huh? ஹீரோயின் 4 பேர் வேணுமோ? நமக்கு இதெல்லாம் தேவையா? 4 தான். 2 okay. கிஷோர் தானே பேரு? How many heroines are there in the script? 2.
ஹீரோயின் 2 பேரும் சீனியரா வேணும்.
Huh?
சீனியரா வேணும் 2 பேரும் ஹீரோயின்.
புரியல.
ஹீரோயின் சீனியரா வேணும்.
Senior means age. இதெல்லாம் ரொம்ப ஓவர். Somebody from this side. Black color jacket. Introduce yourself. Next is who? Shriram. Next.
My name is Amit.
All of you, please. People from that side, please. Are girls more talkative in this class than boys? I don't know. I just asked the question. They only answered. Please.
My name is Amit.
Amit.
I am from Foundation. I study in different institute. That's basically.
What else do you do apart from studying? Huh?
Nothing much.
Beatboxing.
Nothing much.
All right. Clap for him, Amit. Somebody from that side. Black watch. T-shirt, black watch. Guys, please. Shh.
Hello.
Adi Sivan. Adi Sivan.
Adi Sivan. He has voice like Arjun Das, no?
Sir. Foundation Road.
Foundation Road. Shh, please. Cooperate. See, the badge is a little big, okay? So please try to cooperate. Already my throat's a little bad, so. Hey, wait. See, that guy wanted 2 heroines, right? Sorry, 4 he wanted, no? You wanted 4, no? Call him. You wanted 4. He said only 2 is there. First half you act, second half he'll act. Okay? So second hero is also ready. Clap for him now. Anybody else?
Check. My name is Sriram, sir. I'm from Foundation Road.
Foundation Road.
I'm a science student, sir.
What do you call him? Daddy. Why do you call him like that? Aura, okay. But daddy, what? Okay, anyways.
I'm from Foundation Road. I'm a science student.
Science student, clap for him. How many of you are from science background? How many of you are from science background? Very good, clap for them. See, being commerce students only, we struggle with accounts. From science background, coming to CA is a big thing, okay? We should appreciate them for that. Very good. Anybody else? Huh? One at a time.
Happy morning, sir.
Good
Myself,
morning.
Bharatram, from Foundation Road. Bharatram B.Com, Diploma in GST. And
Wait, clap for him. GST. GST, right?
Diploma in GST.
Very good.
Rather than calling it as a gang, we are all brotherhoods.
Clap. Personal attack to you guys.
Not like that. Just expression of our brotherhoods. That like that. And I'm somewhat good in reciting Bharatiyar poem.
Oh, very good.
Yeah.
Clap for him. Literate. Anybody else? Last. One person from boys last. Yeah. 1 and 2 last.
Happy morning, sir. Happy morning.
Good morning.
Sir. I am Ryan.
Guys, please. Even after he's using the mic, I can't hear him. That's how loud you are.
I am Syed Ryan.
Syed.
Ryan.
Syed is right.
Yeah, Syed Ryan.
Syed is right, no?
Yeah, Syed.
I'll call you Syed then.
I am from Direct Entry.
Direct entry.
Yeah, I am a esports player.
Esports. In which
Player.
game?
Yeah.
Which game?
Play PUBG.
Clap for him.
Yeah, I went to final level of esports.
Final level of esports. Then what happened?
Yeah, we lost match.
Very good. See, all of you, listen, as much as cricket or football is recognized, the esports is not recognized. Esports is nothing but basically your electronic gaming, which is your PUBG, FIFA, all this, that. People come and compete for it, just like how cricket or football works. But unfortunately, in India, right now, it's picking up recognition. So he has gone up to the final level, but he couldn't unfortunately win. So let's clap for him.
I love to travel.
You love to travel.
Yeah, and taste
Where
new
all
dishes.
have you gone?
Yeah, I went some Andhra. I completed total Andhra and went to Kerala.
Okay.
Completed
Domestic,
Mumbai.
all domestic.
Mumbai, okay. I'm next planning to go Dubai.
Okay, very good.
Thank
Clap.
you.
Hey, he should buy chocolates and come for all of you. One more person wanted to talk. That guy.
Good morning,
Stand
sir.
up so that everybody can see.
Good morning, sir.
Hey, without him, class won't run, you know, no? Without him also.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
I'm
Turn
from
it.
Karnataka.
You introduce yourself to everybody else.
Hello. I'm from Karnataka. My name is Shiva Kumar.
Which part of
I'm a
Karnataka are you
national
from?
kabaddi player.
Which part of Karnataka are you from?
Bangalore.
Mangalore. Bangalore. Nice. Continue.
I am from kabaddi player on nationals levels.
Oh.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
I am Triambak.
Can you spell?
Triambak. Triambak.
Triambak.
Yes.
Ancient name. Like it's an ancient name, right?
Yes, sir. Quite.
Very good.
So I'm gonna be one of the very few people to annoy you with a lot of doubts in class.
That's fine.
And I'm very interested in geopolitics, history, a lot of debating as well. And I'm a zonal level cricket player.
Very good. Clap for him.
I am from the foundation route.
You're from foundation route.
Yes,
Okay.
sir, foundation route. And yes, that's pretty much it.
Okay, very good. Clap for him. Anybody else from boys' side?
Hello, I am Sandeep. Hello, I am Sandeep from Foundation Route. I am from Pondicherry.
Pondicherry.
Yeah, sir.
Hey, I don't know why they are shouting. Okay, I don't know.
I know, sir.
I am not getting into it.
I know, sir.
You know. Then fine. That's it. Sandeep, right? Clap for him. Enough, boys, enough. Anybody? Last.
Hello.
Okay, last. How many last class?
Myself, Gautam Ram.
Gautam?
Gautam Ram.
Gautam Ram. Two names here.
I have done my Bachelor of Commerce in Madras Christian College. Apart from that, I'm a qualified cost accountant.
Oh, very good. Clap for him. We already have, see, you all are future professionals, no doubt about that. He is a current professional, so clap for him. Very good.
Apart from that, I used to draw when I was so depressed.
Huh?
I used to draw when I was so depressed.
Okay, very good. So, what difference do you see from CA to CMA? Something positive you tell, okay? Don't tell me negative. No.
Positivity is like recognition is more while compared to CA.
Do you feel CA has more respect?
Yes, in more parts we can see when you present the budget, there is centrally the recognition will be more different. When you recognize as a qualified chartered accountant, the respect from a CEO or the managing director is entirely different while comparing to CMA.
Clap for yourselves, all of you. See, there are various other alternatives where you can just have fun in your life. For example, I don't want to name any course, but I'm telling, see, there are easier options where you can have fun, to be honest. CA is a course which doesn't let you have a lot of fun, but trust me, what he said is 100% right. The amount of respect you get once you finish your chartered accountancy course is something which is next level. Okay, so I would like to personally clap for all of you for having enrolled in this course in the first place, which is like a big deal by itself. Clap for yourselves, all of you. Okay. Done. Last, one more person. You all be ready, okay? Next is this side. Who is Anirudh? YouTuber.
Hello.
Teacher and YouTuber. He posts videos of teaching on YouTube. You teach for what subject? Direct tax for inter. Direct tax for intermediate. We'll come to him separately. He will take one chapter for all of us.
Hi everyone, this is Ramaditya.
and I am from Foundation Route. Foundation Route. And usually if I get bored, I won't talk, I just sing. Even if going in vehicle, I'll just sing though. That's my thing actually.
So you sing.
Yeah.
So we'll have one performance from you also.
Definitely.
Clap for.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
From this side now. Hey, no, we've gone to girls' side. Yeah. Anybody? Who's that? Welcome. Yeah. No, you only last.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Okay, I'm Abita M. I'm a
No, the pronunciation.
I'm Abita M.
Abita, okay.
I'm from direct entry route. I'm a graduate already, and I'm in a training session in Accenture. But I'm currently planning to reject the offer because I'm doing CA intermediate now. So
very good. Clap for her. Anybody else?
Hello, sir. I am H. Yoha Parvadavardhini. Yoha Parvadavardhini.
Okay.
I am from Foundation Route. I love drawing and I am currently pursuing my college degree also.
B.Com, is it? Okay, very good. Clap for her. Anybody? Anybody? Shh, boys, please.
Sir, my name is Imana, sir. I'm from Foundation Road and...
shout for this also. Shout, Foundation.
Sir, and I really love singing and all.
Who was that? You. Even before you sing, you have a fan.
Sir,
so you'll sing
they're
later.
all my fans, sir.
You'll sing later. So you already have fans.
That's about it. I really love... I really enjoy every classes.
Okay, very good. First person to say she's enjoying classes, man. Now nobody says. Very good. How many subjects are done? How many subjects are done? How many subjects are ongoing? 5. Which subjects? Tell the subject and the faculty. Accounts. Okay, then direct tax. Prasad sir. Costing by Vignesh. FM. Okay. What is the subject? Audit by. So 5 subjects are going. FM, how much is completed? You all know that the FM classes have started, right? No sound is coming from that side. How many chapters have been completed in FM? What are the 3 chapters? Cost of capital, then? Cost of capital. Last is? Okay, so investment decisions is completed. Okay. Somebody else. Questions? FM faculty will ask. Shh. Please.
I am Rupa, sir. I am born in Andhra Pradesh. I didn't brought up in one state. I was brought up in 5 states. I studied in 8 different schools till my 12th. Then yes, and I'm an ex-fencer. Fencing. It's an
Fencing.
Yes,
Oh, that's a sport, right?
Yes,
oh,
sir.
okay, very
Olympic
good.
sports.
Okay.
I played till nationals. So
Clap for her.
5 years of playing, I quit. Now I am doing only CA. I'm not doing anything else.
You quit because you are doing CA or?
Means because I quit fencing, I joined CA. My plan was I should have said it better.
If you quit one sport, you should join another sport, right? Why did you jump to CA?
No. My plan was I'll finish my BCom, then I will do CA. But then I quit fencing, so I quit BCom subsequently, and I came to Chennai to do CA.
So you've come by a foundation route.
Yes, sir.
Good.
Foundation.
Clap for her. You're not using the phone, right? Next, anybody else? Somebody's raising their hands.
Happy morning, sir.
Good morning.
Myself, Nandini. I'm an entrepreneur. Thank you, sir.
What do you do? Too many names at once. Vidyut, right? Gang, please. Control. Gang leader, right? Just control.
Sir, myself, Nandini. I'm an entrepreneur. Currently, I'm going to start my startup. I didn't introduce till like one second.
Tamil பேசுங்க, no problem.
ஆக்சுவலாக ஃபவுண்டேஷன் ஜாயின் பண்ணப்போ பேட்ச் ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸ்க்கு தெரியும் நான் என்ன பண்ணேன் அப்படின்றது அங்கேயும் நான் எக்ஸ்பிளைன் பண்ணிட்டேன். பட் ஃபுல்லாக இதுமாரி சொல்லலை. ஆனால் இங்கே வந்து ஒரு பிக் ஸ்டேஜ், ஒரு பிக் ஆடியன்ஸ் கிடைக்கணும்னு எதிர்பார்த்துட்டு இருக்கேன் இப்போ வரைக்கும். ப்ராடக்ட் ரெடி அண்ட் 18 years ஆயிடுச்சு. இப்போது லைசன்ஸ் கிடைச்சா ஐ வில் ஸ்டார்ட் மை ஸ்டார்ட் அப்.
Very good. Clap for us.
Thank you, sir. And if I get opportunity, I will introduce my product to each and everyone here.
In the next 4 days.
Yeah, thanks.
Oh, very good. Clap for us.
So, apart from entrepreneurship, I have interested in business management also, and planning to pursue my MBA after completing CA. And I'm a public speaker, debate speaker. Thank you. And I'm a bronze medalist in Taekwondo, which is martial art of South Korea. Apart from my studies, I enjoy also mentorship to students and guiding students. And I am the school pupil leader of my school. I address my school also. Thank you all. So one of the pride moment in my life is after completing my CA foundation, my school honored me and they called me for speaking to fellow students and address there, and they gave the platform to me to start my mentorship and guiding to my all students.
Very good.
Thank you, sir. And just introduction about my product.
Sure.
Sir, it is basically can be used both boys and girls, and it is a hair related product. So in my next session, I will reveal my product, and it will be more interesting also. And in CBSE, like I am the first person to introduce one kind of entrepreneurship like this project to them, and they have also appreciated me for this. Thank you, sir. Thank you all. Thank you.
Last one person. How many of you had that same proud feeling once you cleared foundation? How did it feel? How did it feel? Describe your feeling once you saw your foundation result. Proud, then relief, speechless moment, priceless moment, higher self-esteem. Very good. Similarly, how many of you are here? Around 300, correct? All 300 of you should qualify as CA intermediate and put a message to me saying how you felt once you qualify. I'll be waiting for all 300 messages. Okay? Anyone else last? Yeah. Stand up and introduce yourself.
Hi sir, I'm Pratiti. I'm Pratiti sir, and I'm from Foundation Route. I'm a digital artist and I do yoga at zonal level.
Yoga.
At
Okay.
zonal level. Zonal level.
Zonal level. Okay, very good. Digital artist and yoga. Very good. Okay, see, I hope you all have a fair idea of, I really can't introduce everybody in the class, it's going to take the whole day, but at least some idea of who's there and what each person has achieved, right? See, even though few people may be quiet, looking from the outside, we'll never know what achievements they have done. Yes or no? So I hope you all kind of got to know who's sitting amongst you. Yes or no? Okay, so now that you know who I am, what I do, and what the subject is, I mean like the basic outline of the subject, how easy it is going to be and boost your marks. Shall we start the subject? So you introduced yourself, I introduced myself. Now, the first chapter's name is Introduction to? So put the heading, Introduction to Strategic Management. Shall we start? Have all of you put the heading Introduction to Strategic Management? Okay. What do you understand from the word strategic management? Guys, please. Please. Very good. See, what he is telling is, when you start a business, okay, you have to make certain strategies of how to operate the business. Not only operation is enough, you have to scale up your business, yes or no? He's telling strategic management deals with how to operate a business and how to scale up your business. Very good, clap for him. See, there is no answer such as right or wrong. You just tell me what you understand. Anybody else? Raise your hand. Tell if it's you. Raise your hand, I'll tell if it's you. Very good. How to make the business more profitable. Clap for him. Next to the person wearing the cap. Yes, green shirt. What do you understand from strategic management? Who's telling? Yes, you can also tell. You can also tell. Making proper decisions. Okay, that is kind of similar to what they both said. Any other answer? You? No problem. Anybody else? Yes. Can you be a little louder so that everybody can hear? Very good. He's telling you have to capitalize the opportunities available. Yes or no? Yes or no? CA is an opportunity. You all have been smart enough to choose that opportunity. Yes or no? Similarly, any business will have lot of opportunities in the external environment. How the business capitalizes on that is all about strategic management. Very good. Anybody else from this side? Yes. Very good. Clap for her. Anybody else from that side? Anybody else from there? Pass. Can you try? Hey, raise your hands. Raise your hands. Behind you. Yes. Raise your hands. Yeah. Very good. So she's telling it's like a system or a function to make the company operate more efficiently. What do you mean efficient? What do you mean by efficient? What do you mean by efficient? Completing an objective is not efficient. With use of minimal. Very good. Completing an objective with the use of minimal, that is called efficiency. So your strategic management helps you to achieve your goals and objectives efficiently. Understood? See, this is a basic outline of what strategic management means. This is not a bookish definition, what you all said. Basic understanding of what we are going to learn. What are the different aspects of a business? How to take the business forward? What are the external risks that may happen? How do we tackle it? All this is your strategic management. Read it, all of you. Many people think you have to first plan and then arrive at a strategy, which is wrong. Strategy is a starting point. Based on your strategy, you have to plan how to take things forward. Understood? See, anything and everything which is there in this slide, don't think it's a waste of time or anything, okay? They may ask this in an MCQ for 2 marks. If you haven't read this one line, you may be missing out on 2 marks. Understood? So strategy is not the consequence of planning, but it is what we all usually think is you have to plan and create a strategy. ICAN knows we wouldn't have studied all this. So they'll ask this in the MCQ. You will say strategy is the end point, which is completely wrong. Strategy is the starting point of your planning. Understood? All of you read second. So you should have some strategy in your mind to take forward the company. Like for example, we all are CA students, right? We have a strategy in hand saying first I have to clear foundation. Then I have to clear. Third I have to clear. This is a basic outline. Inside foundation, what subjects are there? How do I study? You have to plan all this. Without planning, you're basically willing to take any risk which is wrong. Whatever risk you take in your business or your life, it should be calculated risks. Yes or no? How many of you agree? Any risk which you take in your business or your life, in your personal decisions, should be calculated risk. Yes or no? Similarly, all companies have to do some strategic planning or strategic management so that whatever risks they take are calculated. Understood? So what is? How many of you know what resources are? What do you mean by resources? Resources for a business. What are the resources? Okay, let us wait. Last. Pink color shirt. Please hand. Yes. Next to you. Both are pink. Okay. Let's say you want to start a business. Let's say a hotel business. What resources would you need to start the business? A little loud. Capital, which is basically, all of you, do you agree? Without capital, can you start a business? Capital can be from outside or from yourself. That doesn't matter. But without money, you can't start a business. The first resource which you need is, what else would you need? Very good. You can also contribute. You would need labor. You need people who work for you. Yes or no? Even if you work for your own business, it's called labor only. Yes or no? How many of you agree? So 2 basic resources are capital and labor. What else? Infrastructure. Very good. The land or the building where you operate, that is called infrastructure. So without a land or building, or let us say nowadays people have started cooking at their houses and I don't know what the concept is called. Cloud kitchens, correct? Cloud kitchens. Even though you are using your own house, you are using a house, correct? So can we call that infrastructure? So 3 basic resources: capital, labor and infrastructure. Anything else anybody wants to add? Tangible resources. Raw material. Very good. So without raw material, can you manufacture anything? All right. So we just had a discussion of 4 basic resources. What are the 4 resources? Capital. I can't hear. Capital. Understood. So now let us say we all have put in some money and we are helping him to start his business. Using that money, he has procured some raw material. He has kept some employee for labor. He has also taken a land for a building for rent. So now can we say he has all 4 resources? The capital we have given. Using the capital, he has hired some people. He has taken a place for rent. He has also bought raw materials. So now all 4 criteria are satisfied, right? We have pulled in the capital for him. Balance 3 resources he has acquired. Yes or no? So now he is eligible to start a business. But tell me one thing. We all are shareholders in his business. We have given him money, right? Having given him money, we would want him to use that money the right way. Yes or no? We would expect some return out of it. Yes or no? Nobody is doing it as a social cost. When it comes to business, it's all profitable causes. Understood? So as a business owner, his duty is to ensure that he utilizes and manages these resources efficiently. Yes or no? He has 4 employees under him. He has enough raw materials to cook for a week. He has also taken a very good building for the hotel for rent. And he has also got excess money from the capital which we have given. It's his responsibility to utilize all these resources in an efficient manner. Yes or no? Only if he uses his resources in an efficient manner, he can give the shareholders what they expect. If he wastes these resources, what's going to happen? Loss will happen. Ultimately, he's eroding our wealth. Yes or no? So his duty is to maximize the returns for the shareholders. How does he do this? By efficiently managing the resources in the organization. So there are two parts to this. Using your resources in a manner which you require for the business is called management of resources. Let us say I need 2 waiters, 1 chef, 1 cleaner. So I have to ensure that 2 waiters are always there, 1 chef is always there, 1 cleaner is always there. This is the requirement of the business. But what this fellow does, he puts 3 waiters and 1 chef. No cleaner is there. Because of this, he's not running the business efficiently. Even before we talk about running the business efficiently, first of all, he's not managing his resources, correct? First, you have to manage your, okay, this management of resources with the view to grow the business and when done efficiently is called strategic management. Understood? Management of resources to achieve efficiency and growth in the business is called. Understood, all of you? Read this. I can't hear. Please be a little loud. When the management of understood? So if you understand the definitions like this logically, there will be no problem in remembering it. And remember one thing, when you have so many people with you to learn, and when somebody is there to help you to learn, ensure you learn. Understood? Instead of wasting time here and money for the fees and going home and doing self-study, there's no point in it, right? When you're here, ensure you make the most out of it. So if somebody asks you what is the basic definition of strategic management, what do you tell? When management of resources is done to achieve efficiency and growth, those decisions are called. You all must be knowing what growth means. I don't have to explain what growth means. Efficiency means, as you all said, using less resources to achieve the, using less resources to maximize the output. So if he uses less resources to maximize the output, is it a good thing or not for the shareholders? Yes, right? He'll be giving us more returns on the capital which you have put. Understood? So first you have to understand what is management of resources. Management of resources means understanding where your business needs resources. Once you understand the business requirements, doing this management to achieve efficiency and growth in the business, it's called strategic. So can you write in your book, management of resources plus efficiency and growth is equal to strategic management. Management of resources plus efficiency and growth is equal to strategic management. And see, there is one line here, it's a very simple line, but it has a lot of meaning to it. Decisions may be taken for a short-term plan or a from the FM subject which you're studying. Can you tell me what this means? Example of any chapter? You told 3 chapters are done. What was the second chapter? What is investment decision? It's all of you. In your investment decisions chapter and financial management, do you study that chapter to take decisions for a long term or a short term? Long term, correct? Because the outflow is going to be today. Cash outflow is today, but the returns will be over a period of time. Yes or no? So you're taking a long term decision. This is an example of a long term decision. Similarly, in your FM, there is another subject called working capital management. What do you mean working capital? In very simple terms, I don't want formula, okay? I will tell you the meaning. Working capital means how much of cash you have or need to carry out day-to-day expenses or operations. Understood? So always remember, working capital management is for short term. Capital budgeting or investment decision is for, this is just an example. Similarly, every company, not only this, every company may have multiple decisions to take. Few decisions may be short term, few decisions may be, both are covered under strategic management. Whenever I use the word management, what comes to your mind? Anybody from this side? Anybody from this side? Raise your hands and talk. As I said, there's no answer, right or wrong answer for this. It's just what you think it is. What do you understand from the word management? Very good. Clap for her. She is telling management. As soon as I say the word management, what comes to her mind is a group of people who help in managing things. Anybody else? Any other definition? Very good. He is telling a group of people in an organization who are responsible for maximizing shareholders' wealth and ensuring everything is in line in the organization. Put a raised hands there. Yeah. Very good. She's telling getting things done in order to accomplish organizational goals. So listen, you both are telling management means group of people. He is telling it's a process of getting things done. Managing means getting things done. Yes or no? You're managing means you means you're getting things done. She is telling it's a process. You are telling it's a group of people. What is right? How many of you say management is a process? How many of you say management is a group of people in the organization? How many of you say it's both? Very good. So listen, as soon as I say the word management, two things should come to your head. First is, it is key activities performed in the organization. This is what she said. Okay, key activities performed in the organization. Second is a group of people who performs this key activities. Understood? So management means two things: key activities performed in the organization. Second is the group of people who perform these key activities. Both are called management. Understood? Here, the term management is used in two ways. First is a key group in an organization. Read it. So this definition is talking about the group of people. In case academy also you have some people called management, right? They'll tell you go and talk to the management. If management is a process, then why are they telling you to go and talk to a process, right? It's wrong. So basically management means two things. First is the process aspect. Second is the people who do the process. They are also called management. Second, yeah. You read all this in your, you've read all this, right? So this planning, staffing, controlling. Somewhere it must remind you saying we've read all this. Correct. So these activities are also called management. The people who do these activities are also called. Understood? So shall we write this in the notebook, this chart alone? Please write this. Done? Read the last point. Very important. See, management is a, what do you mean influence process? Very good. See, when you work in a place, all of you listen. When you work in some place, you will be reporting to a manager. The manager will be responsible to get work done from you. Yes or no? That person will be directing you, saying, you do this by this evening and come to me. Yes or no? So what are they doing? They are influencing you to do something using their authority or power. So management is a influence process to make things, to gain, read. Understood? So the takeaway from this is management has two things to it. First is activities performed in the organization. Second is the key group of people who perform these activities. Next, what do you mean accountability? What do you mean accountability? Accountability is not responsibility. Very good. Accountability means answerability. How many of you here take credit but don't take the accountability? You don't understand what I'm asking? If something goes right, everybody wants to say, I did it. Something goes wrong, how many of us will be honest? How many of you will come forward? All of you understood? See, let's say something goes right, some big event happened, all credit comes to me. So I'll be celebrating and saying, I did it, I did it. When something goes wrong, you think I'll come forward with the same amount of energy? I'll say, I didn't do, he only asked me to do it. Correct. That is the question of accountability. Everybody wants to take the credit. Nobody wants to take the blame or accountability. Understood? All of you? That is the concept of accountability. Accountability means there should be somebody in the organization for each task whom you can go and question if something goes wrong. For example, let us say he is handling the raw materials in the organization. After some 2 years, I find that somebody is stealing my raw material. Okay, let us say she is managing cash in my organization. So when I find raw material theft is happening, will I go and catch hold of her or him? Him, right? He is the person who is accountable for it. This is the concept of accountability. Accountability means nothing but answerability. Understood? So in every organization, there must be somebody who should be accountable for every important task. Read it. So see, I have incorporated multiple case studies like this in between so that you can relate it to real life and study. Read it. Case study. You do one thing. I'll give you a minute's time. Go through it. Tell me what you understand from it. You all know what Boeing 737 is, right? It's a flight. Boeing 737 is a flight. Just go through this. I'll give you a minute's time. And concept is whenever something goes wrong in your organization, you should know whom to catch hold of. All of you. See, this subject is a very practical subject if you study it the way you're supposed to be studying. If you study it like your other theory subjects, it's not going to make any sense. Imagine yourself as an entrepreneur who wants to start a business. Put yourself in that position and try to study everything. It's going to be very easy. So point is, even if you start a business on a future date, you should have somebody be accountable for everything. Okay, even if not for everything, at least one person is accountable for something. Understood? So that if something goes wrong, you should know whom to catch hold of. Understood? Next is concept of, read it. So this is nothing but what is the strategy? Okay, what is the strategy? Has 4 things. First is, so you all being CA students, what is the answer for this question? What do you want to be? By becoming a CA, what do you want to do? By becoming a CA, you want to study here. Earn money, okay, then. How many of you want to practice post-qualification? Very good. How many of you want to go for employment? So I assume others want to chill at home. Most of you didn't raise hands. Never mind. So first is, see, this is for a company, but you relate it to yourself and study is going to be very easy. What it wants to. Next is, how basically means, how do I approach what I want to be? For example, I know I want to be a CA, but how do I plan to become a CA? That is how it wants to do. Last is, where it wants to go is something which is to do with the long run. The long run, where do I want to take my business? Do I want my business to become a global business, or do I want to be a national leader? So that is where it wants to. Understood? So 4 basic components of strategy is what it wants to be, what it wants to do, how it wants to do. Understood? Next, nature of strategy, that is pragmatic means practical. Your strategy should be in such a way that it is very flexible. For example, right now I'm running a hotel business, for example. All of a sudden, COVID hits. Can I continue to run the business in the same way I was doing before? So I should have had a strategy which is very flexible. So as soon as some external threat or some problem comes, my strategy should immediately help me to identify new areas where I can continue my business. So strategy is generally flexible and practical. Understood? Next, very important. Strategy is partly. Okay, this is nothing. Okay, I'll tell you what is proactive, what is reactive. I'll take somebody for an example. Are you hungry? Only correct. You correct. Vidyut, right? Not hungry, right? Why are you eating the pen cap then? Fine. Listen. Let's take him only for an example. He is irritating me too much in the class. Okay. From morning he's irritating. Example. So what I do? I walk straight, give him 1 slap on the face. Wait, I'm not done yet. After I give a slap, he's like, how dare you hit me? He gives me a slap. So what is he doing? He is reactive. Next, some other guy will take. Full name? Raise hands. Black t-shirt, black watch. Adi Shivan. I'll call you Adi then. Okay. So again, he's been irritating me from morning. After he saw what happened there, I slowly walk towards him. He sees me walking towards him. So what he does? He runs away out of the class. He doesn't want to get hit. So what is he doing? So reactive means you're reacting to something which is happening after it happens. Proactive means you are safeguarding yourself even before it happens. This is basic understanding of proactive. And so for a business, is it possible to be proactive always? Why? Uncertainties. Very good. Uncertainties is the answer. Because of external uncertainties, it is not possible to be proactive all the time. But obviously, you'll be forced to be reactive. But based on your previous learnings, whatever has happened in the past, you can be proactive. Understood? So now what happens? He ran away out of the class. Next day, again I come, he's irritating me. I go to slap him. What he does? He runs away even before I hit him. What is he doing? He's being proactive. Because yesterday he was. Understood? So it is not possible to be proactive all the times, but it is possible to be proactive based on your reactions in the past. Understood? All of you? Strategy is a combination of both. So strategy should be in such a way that it helps you to react to whatever is happening, At the same time, be proactive to what may happen in the future. Understood? Read it. Understood? Read. See, all these lines may look dry, but if you understand the concept behind it, it's very easy. All of you understood what proactive and reactive means? So how many of you say strategy is only proactive, only reactive, both? Agree? Next is, all of you. Importance and limitations of what? Strategic. So importance basically means the advantages, or why do you need strategic management? Limitations basically means disadvantages of strategic management. So strategic management has only two overall objectives. See, multiple small objectives are there, but overall objectives of strategic management are only two. This is very important. If I'm telling it's very important, definitely there's a chance of asking in the exam, at least for 2 to 4 marks. So overall, if the word overall is there, you should write this. If they ask you advantage of strategic management, I'll tell you in the further slide what to write. So overall objectives of strategic management are twofold. First is I haven't even explained what this means, but I want you to try. What do you understand from the word competitive advantage? Raise your hands and tell, please. Yes. Very good. Not only first mover advantage. First mover advantage is a part of it. Very good. Clap for him. Be a little loud. Something that makes you better than all the other. Very good. Clap for her. Okay, but like, see, I just wanted to understand what competitive advantage, those two words, make it as simple as possible. Competitors. Okay, very good. Clap for her. Yeah. Be a little loud so that everybody can hear. So early mover advantage, basically. Very good. Then anybody else? Yeah. No, you just tell me, you come out of this proactive and reactive part. Tell me what you understand from the word competitive advantage. Very good. To outsmart our competitors through innovation. Very good. Same point. Okay. Anybody else from this side? Yeah. Is raising their hands there. Anybody else? Doing something more attractive than the competitors. You position yourself. If you have a competitor, and if I'm asking you what competitive advantage means, what does it mean? Give me examples and also tell. Yes. You clap for it. Anybody else? Once again, he's respect to not anything. Not anything. With respect to maneuvering through your competition. That's what I'm asking about. Very good. Then very good. So he's telling, see, he's telling there are two ways you can differentiate from your competitor. First is by offering a different product from that of your competitors. Second is offering the same product of your competitor but at a lesser price. Very good. It will be covered in the upcoming chapter. There are three bases of differentiation: product, pricing, and organization. We'll come to that later, but very good. Anybody else? Yes. Very good. Very good. So when your product is too good compared to your competitors, you're said to have a monopolistic advantage. So that is that basically means you have a competitive advantage. Anybody else? To give? Very good. So she's telling you can earn a competitive advantage by giving the customers what is the required features of that product. See, basic understanding should be, let us say, okay, myself, somebody raise your hands. Anybody? Yeah. Okay. Name? Ram. I'll call you Ram. Okay. So let's say we both are writing a maths exam. I am very, very poor at math. Okay. He is extremely good at math. How much does he get? He gets centum. I get 3 out of 100. For example, next exam, science. Let's say I am very good at it. Theory, I crack theory very easily. He's bad at it. Only for example, okay? He gets 4 out of 100. I get 100 on 100. Understood? Can I say in mathematics, my competitor has a competitive advantage over me? In science, I have a competitive advantage over my competitor. So competitive advantage basically means how superior you are compared to your competitor. That is the most basic understanding you should have. All of you understood? The superiority you have compared to your competitor is called competitive. So strategic management helps you to create a, understood? It helps you to create a, that is the objective, or one of the objectives of strategic management. Second is, your strategic management should help you to guide, the strategic management should help the business to guide itself through all the changes in the environment. See, the environment where the business functions, it is very dynamic. The environment keeps changing. For example, you take clothing, okay? Earlier, people used to wear certain types of clothing. Now the clothing trend is different. The trend keeps changing. But the clothing businesses are the same. The companies are just the same. They have to alter themselves according to the trends. Yes or no? So strategic management should help a company to change itself or adapt itself to the changes in the environment. So put the heading overall objectives of strategic management. Under that, two branches. First is creation of competitive advantage. Second is guiding company through all the changes in the environment. First is creation of competitive advantage. Second is guiding the company successfully through all the changes in the environment. That's why I said in mathematics, he has a competitive advantage over me. Okay, wait. You didn't get the example right. The example, you see, okay, let's say no science exam is there, only maths exam is there. He gets 100, I get 4. Can I say he has a competitive advantage over me in mathematics? No science exam. Exam got cancelled due to rains. Only maths exam. He got 100, I got 4 out of 100. Only 2 of us are there. For example, if you have to call everybody, it's not possible, right? You understood the point. So when you have some advantage over your competitor, that is called competitive advantage. Have you written? Okay, so what we'll do is we'll take a short break now until 11 o'clock, half an hour, and we'll meet back at 11 o'clock sharp. You guys usually go out or stay here? Okay, if you go out, please come back by 11. If you're here, no problem, okay? See you at 11 o'clock then. Thank you.